Now, if we're factorising with 4 terms like we are here and here, it's very similar to when we had our things like 2x squared plus 3x minus 2x plus 1 kind of thing, where we've got to group things or rearrange this middle two to be able to factorise effectively. So it's very, very similar to that. So we'll see. So we're going to go through some steps here in terms of rearranging the things that we're seeing. So basically, it's a good idea if we arrange the 4 terms so that we've got our common factors or things that have common factors next to each other. So the first thing I'm looking at here is ax and negative 2ay. So I'm going to put those two together. So I've got ax minus 2ay plus x minus 2y. So now I can see they've both got a common factor of a. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to take out that a. So I'm going to have a. Now I'm left with x minus 2y. Now over here, I don't have a common factor. So the idea is you rearrange it a different way. So if you don't have a common factor the second time, we're still left with plus x minus 2y. It's not going to factorise any further. We can't do that. These will factorise. So because of that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to rearrange this. I'm going to rearrange the original equation to, I'm going to leave the x out the front, and I'm going to have plus ax, and I'm going to have minus 2y minus 2ay. Now I'll start taking us a common factor. So if we have a look here, common to these two is x. So I'm going to put down x, and we're left with 1 plus a. And common to these two is negative 2y. So I'm going to say negative 2y, and we are left with 1 plus a. Now we've got the same common factor. So we'll take that out. So we'll have 1 plus a, and we're left with x minus 2y. So now that one there is fully factorised. As another example, we've got 5x squared plus 10x plus xy plus 2xy. Well, I'm going to rearrange this a little bit. I'm going to have this as 5x squared. This should be an x squared y. Plus x squared y plus 10x minus 2xy. So now over here, I'm going to take out a common factor of x squared. So I've got x squared. So now this leaves me with 5 plus y. Now we're left with 10x minus 2xy. So I'm going to take out a common factor of plus. It's a plus. I'm going to take out a common factor of plus 2x. So we've got 2x, and we're left with 5 plus y. Now we've got the same factor here and here. So we've got x squared plus 2x, and then we've got 5 plus y.